Happy Father's Day to everybody. Hope you're having a lovely day. A quick 10-minute ride. I'm trying to do them for about 9-10 minutes now because the saves me having to split and edit because the GoPro tends to do a 2.1 gigabyte file, which is about 12 minutes before it splits it, and just more headache in editing these videos. But yeah, yesterday was a long day for me. I didn't post anything yesterday because I was driving. Went from Kent up to North Wales to pick my son up, who's finished his third year at uni. So it was 310 miles there and 310 miles back. We set off at Friday night, Saturday morning at 4 in the morning, and didn't get back till 9 o'clock that evening, Saturday evening. So I was ready for my bed, as you might say. So I'm posted out for a couple of days. There's some good news on the front. Hello. BSB's, all the bike racing's coming back, which is brilliant. Some provisionals for BSB, MotoGP and World Superbike. The BSB rounds I tend to try get to. They're coming back August time. They're going to have 6 meetings up to October. Brands Hatch being the last one, so I'm definitely going there. And they're going to do triple headers for each of the rounds, so there'll be a race Saturday afternoon and 2 races Sunday for the BSB. They normally do triple headers, 2 or 3 meetings a year. So that's going to be fun and interesting. It'll have each meeting with triple headers. Obviously there's going to be no crowd, etc. But yeah, it's going to be good. Hey! I don't know about the calendars yet. They're all provisional, so I'm not sure when they're going to be finalised in that respect. But yeah, it's good, isn't it? No crowds, obviously. Maybe when we get to Brands Hatch I might be able to go, because that's in October. We'll just have to wait and see what happens, I suppose, in that respect. I'm on my way. I don't think it'll be open. We're just on to 21st Motor, just have a look what they've got. Look on the website, but I'd just like to go and have a quick gander, as you might say. So I'll take the back way up to Swanley. But we're supposed to be having good weather. A bit overcast, as you can see, in the UK. Pardon me. We're supposed to have really good weather, so that's going to be really good. That means I can go on my bike every day. I tend to do videos when I finish work, because I have to work 5 days a week at the moment, which I have been doing for months. So depending when I get finished, between 7 and 10 o'clock, I go out for a little bimble then. Today we've been we were getting my son yesterday. I got today off as well to recuperate. I was dead last night. Oh, and my head was aching when I got home, that's all, when I stopped driving, because it was 630 miles. I was tired. But hey, oh, my son's back home, back in the family. Yeah, good. It's about 2 PM on a Sunday. Can't remember what date it is, but there's a lot more cars on the road now and stuff in the UK. People going about the daily business. You can tell it more when you're working in the van during the day. Obviously school times, the first one in the morning and 3 o'clock, so they're not there at the moment, so that helps in that respect for getting around. And I've got the standard exhaust back on the bike now. I've got a camera position at the back. I'm going to have to do a video on the standard exhaust note. I don't think 21st Motor is going to be open. Because it's a Sunday. But you never know. We all have to learn, don't we? It's a nice little car for learning. Now she's closed, which I thought she would be. I have to come up here on Thursday. Have a little walk around the bikes area, etc. Okay, just quickly a bimble. Bye for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, link and comment, and I'll answer comments. Cheers. Bye bye now.